started but I never expected we'll end up this way. Maybe I tried to ignore every sign. Siguro ganun naman talaga, dahil nga ayaw kitang mawala. Hindi mo naman ako masisisi. Maybe I was too selfish, that at some point you were just forced to stay. Pero hindi ba parang ang unfair mo naman? How could you let go of me so easily while I was crying too, drowning to the pain of letting go of someone you badly want to stay? But maybe I was the one to blame. Una pa lang alam ko kung anong meron tayo ay may katapusan. Alam ko rin naman sa sarili ko na hindi ko kaya mag-settle sa kung anong pagkakaibigan na magkakaroon tayo. But what can I do? That's how much I want you to stay and be with you. I was disregarding the fact that you can't hold me the way I wanted you to hold me. The way I wanted you to look at me. Ganito naman talaga yung kahantungan natin. No matter what road and street we'll take, we'll still end up working ways. The other way. Pinaaga ko lang siguro. Kasi alam ko naman tayo tulad ng dati. Kay bilis na sandali. I never expected myself to cry because I was brave and confident enough that I was left to love. And maybe in between the beginning and end, we were just trying to find the right way to make it the signage to follow. Yet I guess we've taken the signage to follow, letting go of the love that was uncertain from the beginning to the end.